welcome back. I'm here for another scratch video. So guys, this is a fun, simple project I created, and there's a funny story behind it. Let me first show it to you. I'll tell the story after. It's a flower, okay? Or the sun, whatever you call it. Okay? So guys, this is a very funny story behind it. So at first, my mom asked me to make a flower, okay? So I made a flower that looks like this. It counts as a flower, right? It's colorful, it's pretty, all the needs a flower has. It's technically a flower. So let me explain the code. There is a when green flag clicked, so when the flag is clicked, this is a new block where you can find extensions. We'll talk about this later. So there's all kinds of stuff like Lego Boost, video sensing, pen. So I use the pen, okay? See, I have the pen. So it says erase all. So when the green flag is clicked, it will erase all the the whole flower when it started out at the beginning. See, look, let me show you. It's like the full flower. Now it just erases everything and starts again. And then I put a forever loop here. And then I changed the color effect by 25. That's how it's changing colors. That's how every line is changing color. And then I made it turn 15 degrees. So like this. So keeps the lines keep on turning and keep on stamping. See, the stamp button is after. Once one line turns, it stamps another. Once another line turns, it stamps another. It keeps on stamping, okay? And the same concept is with the second one. This one is much more simpler, obviously. It's when the green flag is clicked. It's just all the time, forever loop. It's going to just change the color effect by 25. And I also made another project, kind of like this. As you can see, the color effect is changing. I made another really cool project. So, my stuff, where is it? Right there. Okay, so this is a really cool project too. Same concept. Let me show you how it works so far. Look at this. Like it? Yeah, my brother and loved it a lot. Okay, so let's keep that running for some time because you guys can see it. So let me explain the code now. It starts when the space key is pressed, it erases everything. I'm going to keep on pressing the space key and it keeps on erasing. Okay? And that's the pen thing again, erase all. And then the when green flag clicked. In a forever loop, it's going to keep on changing the color effect by 25. That's how it looks rainbow. And then it keeps on turning 15 degrees, so we need it to move. See, it's moving. And then it will stamp once turning, once that thing that looks like that thing, the sprite I made, once it turns, it will stamp a copy of it right next to it. Then it keeps on going like that. See, look at that. It's very fluid. And look at the background. You like it? It's it's a spotlight. Let me delete that one. Okay, so do you want to see where I got it from? It's very cool. So, if I go to search button, type in spotlight, and then I find it right there. Click it, and you get it. And then I made this sprite on my own. So here. Let me show you how I made it. I first went to choose a costume and paint. Let me show you how to make it real quick. So I increased the line size to 20. See, I'm in line. I drew a line, right? And then you can't see it all that there. So let me space. Okay, now you can see the line. Then I went to the circle tool. It's 20 still. So then I put the purple and the outline is black. And then voila, since it didn't work, it didn't connect, I just connected it. And it works, see? That's the same exact sprite. So that's how I did my, the thing that spins all the time. So do you want to see the code one more time? Look at it. Amazing, right? Okay, guys, that's all for today. Bye! Please subscribe. subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. Bye!